Today, we'll be learning how Afro hair is braided with extensions. I'm at the Osu branch of Silver Hair in Accra, Ghana. The hairdressers at Silver Hair are known for their amazing braiding techniques. They also have a branch in Madina, if you're ever in the area. I'll be getting mini micro knotless boho braids, a stylish yet protective look that's perfect for maintaining healthy hair. Let's go inside. First things first, my hair is washed thoroughly. Clean hair is essential for braiding and the foundation of any great braid style. It not only makes the process smoother, but also keeps the scalp healthy for weeks to come. Conditioner is applied and the hair is then placed under a cap and left for 15 minutes. After this, the hair was then blow dried. Stretching the hair makes it easier to section and braid neatly. This step also ensures that the braids sit smoothly against the scalp. My hair is divided into small sections and the braiding starts. For this look, I'm getting knotless braids. Unlike traditional box braids, knotless braids start with your natural hair and extensions are added gradually. This makes them super light, natural looking and comfortable to wear. Plus, they're much gentler on the scalp, perfect for protecting and growing your hair. These stylists at Silver Hair Osu branch are so fast and finish doing my hair in half of the recommended time. While most of my hair is braided into boho braids, I'm also getting cornrows on the side for an extra stylish touch. Did you know that cornrows, also known as cane rows, are named after the pattern seen in cornfields and sugarcane fields? The pattern of the braids are said to look similar to the rows of corn and rows of sugarcane. Cornrows have such a rich history. They've been a part of African culture for thousands of years and were often used to symbolize social status, family ties, and even age. During times of hardship, cornrows were sometimes braided into intricate patterns that acted as maps of freedom during the transatlantic slave trade. Today, they're still celebrated as a cultural and artistic expression. Braids like these aren't just beautiful. They're also a fantastic protective style for Afro-textured hair. Protective styles help reduce the manipulation of your natural hair, which means less breakage and faster growth. They're also very low maintenance, lasting several weeks with the right care. This makes them ideal for young girls and anyone looking to grow and protect their hair while still looking fabulous. For my boho braids, we're adding loose curls at the top and at the ends. These give the style a fun and playful look while keeping it lightweight. This is one of the reasons knotless boho braids are so trendy. They combine elegance and practicality in the best way. Once the braiding is done, it's time for the finishing touches. The stylists use mousse to smooth and set the braids, ensuring they stay neat and shiny for weeks. Then, the ends are put into flexi rods and dipped into hot water to seal the style. A quick spray, and we're all set. Here's the final look. Waist-length knotless boho braids that are lightweight, versatile and protective. I love how they turned out, and I know my hair is going to be well protected for weeks. What do you think? A massive thank you to the incredible team at the Osu branch of Silver Hair Ghana for creating this stunning style. Braiding is truly an art, and I love how it connects us to our culture while keeping our hair healthy. If you're ever in Ghana, I cannot recommend this salon enough. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.
Aunty Filly!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.